In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your work in Illustrator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your project confidently, choose the right format, and make the right choices in the options so your file is ready for editing, printing, or sharing. Start with your artwork open and ready. When you're satisfied with your design, head to the top menu and choose File, then Save As. This tells Illustrator you want to create a new file in a specific place and format rather than overwriting something accidentally. If you're on a newer version and you see save a copy for certain formats, don't worry, the process and choices are essentially the same. Next, pick the folder where you want to save. It's a good practice to store projects in a clearly labeled folder, maybe with subfolders for final, proofs, or exports. Keeping things organized will save you time later, especially if you need to revisit a client deliverable or hand files off to a teammate. Type a clear, descriptive file name. Consider including a version number or date, like poster V03 or logo 2026-01. This helps you track progress without overwriting earlier iterations and makes it obvious which file is the latest. Now choose your format. If you plan to edit this file again in Illustrator, select AI, that's your master, fully editable file. If you're sharing for review or printing, you might choose PDF, which preserves quality and is easy to open. EPS is useful for older print workflows or when a vendor specifically requests it. SVG is ideal for web and app graphics, especially logos and icons that need to stay crisp at any size. Click Save. Illustrator will open an options window based on the format you selected. This is where you fine-tune. For AI, check whether you need PDF compatibility for broader previews and consider linked or embedded images and compression settings to balance file size and performance. For PDF, pick a preset like high quality print for print ready output or smallest file size for quick sharing, and decide whether to preserve Illustrator editing capabilities if you might reopen it later. For EPS, confirm the compatibility level the printer needs and whether you want a preview. For SVG, you can enable minify and set decimal precision to control file size and path accuracy. When you're happy with the settings, confirm by clicking OK. That's it.